We're here in the Blue Room today taking a closer look at the wallpaper we chose for the room. Now, in this room we did not have any surviving pieces of wallpaper from the Washingtons era, but we knew from the documentary evidence from the Washingtons' purchases that they were wallpapering throughout the mansion about every 10 years, and that in 1797, when they returned from the presidency, there's a major wallpapering campaign that goes on throughout the house. So, using that data point, we started looking for what would be an appropriate pattern. We knew that in that year the Washingtons are purchasing from suppliers in Philadelphia. One of them was a man named William Pointel, another a Frenchman named Georges Berthaud. Both of them were supplying the top of the line French papers, which were the most sophisticated in the day. So using those data points, we went to the Revillon pattern books and we chose a blue ground 1790s pattern, which you see here. It was recreated by Adelphi Paper Hangings here in the US from using the same techniques as they would have been with hand ground paints and with blocks to print the design. It's a wonderful, whimsical sort of design you might not notice as a visitor, but it has these details such as the miniature bird over here and the little butterfly or moth that appears as well.